Today we're looking at the Airfix Lockheed F-104G Starfighter, a kit with tooling that dates all the way back to 1963. This model has been in and out of the Airfix range over the years, with new box art and different schemes, but the version we have here is from 1990. The real F-104G Starfighter was a familiar sight in Western Europe, serving as standard equipment in 6 European air forces. It was developed for Europe, and one of the key differences from the American versions was its strengthened airframe, designed to carry heavy external loads of fuel or weapons. This gave it the ability to take on both interceptor and ground attack roles. Interestingly, the Canadian CF-104 variant was essentially the same aircraft, except it swapped out the European-built J79 engine for a Canadian Orenda-built version. As for the kit itself, the sprues are moulded in that familiar silver plastic we've seen a few times already in this retro unboxing series. On camera it almost looks shinier than most kits, but I've always wondered, does that actually affect the build? Let me know in the comments. The Airfix F-104G Starfighter is a perfect slice of modelling history. Simple, striking and still a lot of fun. The instructions are probably some of the simplest we've ever seen. Just 3 steps take you from the first parts coming off the sprue to a completed Starfighter. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying this trip through Airfix history. We'll see you next time.